granola bowl.
Morning, guys. Morning, ate.
Say morning.
Good morning. It is, it's 11 o'clock na pala. Dito kami ngayon sa town center ng Toowoomba. We're going to have breakfast roundup. Napaka-cool naman nilang ano dito. Like, Melbourne feels study.
Here's the apple. There's only ginger apple.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want orange? Do you want orange or watermelon and strawberry? They don't have apple in. They've only got orange or watermelon and strawberry.
Orange.
Orange? Okay. Alright, sounds good.
What kind of food have they got in here?
Turn it over.
We got pancakes. Pancakes.
Your pancakes, Liam?
Yes.
You and I can
Ice
share the
wine.
pancakes.
Canadian buttermilk pancakes.
Ate and Lini get share one?
Ganda ano, may arts yung kanilang it's super colorful. Look at Selena's hair, it's so cute. Yeah, very colorful. What is that? Oh, wow. You are so chicken.
You what? Wait. I don't like you.
Wait.
Go like that.
Marshmallow.
Ate Paris is having iced chocolate. Here you go.
That is bloody good.
So us, Celine, and Mama's having hot chocolate. What are you having there, Daddy?
I am having an oat latte, as usual. My favorite.
Oh, look at Lenny. I took all my marshmallow. You got it?
With coffee.
Like it?
The coffee I had been in Toowoomba has been good so far. 2 for 2. I wonder how your chocolate's going to be.
This is mine.
The moment of truth. Da-dow.
It's not as chocolate.
Is it good?
You try and you tell me what you think. Is it good, Lane? Do you like it? Wait, just see it.
Yeah, so, you're right, honey. You're right. But, it's nearly there. Like the consistency's good, the milk's good. And it's nearly there. The temperature's very good.
Temperature's good.
It just needs a touch, that little bit more chocolate.
Or maybe.
This needs a little more chocolate, but I'd like
Maybe it needed a marshmallow in
This
it.
needs a little more chocolate. This needs
Probably it. But the two monsters get the marshmallows.
I'm not a monster.
You're my marshmallow monster.
I could do that. That's the best. Tastes like that.
You think like Lenny's got a fair size forehead.
Oh, what?
A fair size forehead.
She's got a massive boy. I told you before.
Look, Lynn.
No, no.
Ooh.
Is that good?
Sambura na to, be. Kaya kita.
It just needs a little more chocolate, but I did like my milk. Mom, you remember what you said? No milk.
You gotta, no,
You have to drink it slowly, okay?
Yeah, you can have milk. You just gotta drink it slowly. Don't smash it. All right, big forehead. Tell you what.
Wait.
Although you're not having the iced chocolate, you're having the ice cream. You mix it together and
Yeah.
I think. Okay.
I've got the scrambled eggs with bacon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I like bacon.
Oh wow.
My yummy bacon.
I'll grab it. Can we get
My yummy
Yeah, that'd be good.
bacon.
Yeah,
My
sure.
yummy bacon.
Yeah,
I'll be
thank you.
right back.
Yummy bacon.
Oh,
That's
look
my
at that bug.
bacon.
That's massive. God.
I like my bacon.
You like your bacon?
Yeah.
That's yours, Liam.
Kabit-bit na og bacon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You got bacon on yours.
What's
Oh my
that?
god, this is massive.
Nada.
Ala, ang laki naman. So, tingnan nyo ang size ng bread. Ala, okay rin lang bread. Mura magtibuok bariyo mukha una ni.
Mom, can you
Watch out for your drink as well.
That's daddy.
Can you send one knife? Of course. And I'll get the knife.
Wow. Look at that. And the girls will have this.
Thank you.
That's okay. Nini will have this with Mama. We're sharing. So, we'll use that one pancake for
The test and it passes.
Chester. Huh?
The test passes.
Okay.
Needs to flow.
Runny.
Yeah, nothing less. It is, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, get your knife as well. Eileen, you go have some pancakes. So we're going to put these on the side.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yeah. Hey. And then,
Do you like bacon?
I did the 3 layers.
Is
Huh?
bacon your favorite?
I was about to
Should
lick
be
the
done.
knife. That's it. There.
A few moments later.
Ah, I think the hitching rail.
What?
Yeah. I think they do it in Korea as well, Anna. Like with your loved ones. Yeah, oh, look, see? Forever. Theo and Roxy wedding day. See, you put your thing here.
What would you and I do it?
Yeah, I know, but we don't have it.
You could buy
Look,
one.
this is not massive. That's massive.
Yes, massive.
Yeah, see, Chris and Megan. It's so cute. Yeah, that's it's like in Korea. Come on, sweetheart. Let's see. Oh, there's more here, Baba. Oh. Look.
Can you go down?
No, that's down.
But can you
Up
go
to
down
them.
and look today?
Yeah, I'm not sure if you can go down there, sweetie. But look.
Oh,
Oh,
Mom.
some people are there. This way lang. Maybe we have to go the other way lang. Dili makamaka-naog tanawa ra na oh.
Look, there's a love heart.
Oh, that's cute. This is nice here, Daddy. See? Water. Dirty though.
Sky, look. Look.
wonderful.
Sky, look. Wanna say, look.
Sarah said, why don't you and Daddy make one?
We're making something else later. It starts with hello, but we're going to finish CK.
Okay.
So it starts with hello, but it doesn't finish with CK. Yeah, but we're going to the shop.
We're going this way.
Hi, that's a spider.
We are going to go down there.
This way na. Hold mama pa lang.
Spider.
Mama, hold mama.
Oh,
Yeah, we will. I thought you want to drink. You silly, Lynn. Oh wow, look at this.
that only hit. Just like you could play.
That tree is probably 1,000 years old. That one, oh. Careful,
Sling
please,
bump
please.
your
Again.
It's going to be cool to go see
This way.
everything.
Yeah, this way, anak.
Wet.
Oh, wow.
There's the road, Mummy. See? Yeah.
Ay.
Oh, yeah, we'll go get some.
Oh, go get water. Come on, let's go. Sus, ang pati bumba. Ay, 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 ay. Are we in the middle? I can't see. Oh, wow, that's a big one. Okay. No, look, Lynn. It's not Lynn. Look. And then we'll go to it. Come on. Are we in the middle, right? Are we in the middle? Look in the thing. There, look. Are we in the middle?
I'm in.
That flag is massive.
Like me. He was cute.
Ling ling. Daddy, stand there, Dada. Take photo, please. Katie, go with Daddy. Wow. Picnic Point Parklands. Look at this. 1931. $19.28. Daddy, look at this. 1928.
Yeah. And now we're here, 2025.
2025.
Dada, now we're gonna go down.
Oh.
Dada, we better go down.
Yes.
Ling ling. Ling ling.
Look at the camera. Say hi to Melbourne.
Say hi to Picnic Point.
Let's go for a shot, come on.
Okay, let's go. Wow,
Can't
that's
do this, Carrie.
really cool. Okay, let's go here. Come on, sit hi. Bili muna tayo ng maiinom. Okay. Tala, tala. Ha?
Apple juice.
We have
Can I share with you?
scones. Yeah, of course.
I like
We've got scones, cream and strawberry jam. Okay. And then tea with it. Oh, diba? Kakatapos na kumain. Ay, uy, anak ko. Use this one ako. Not your finger lang. Yeah. What are you having, ate? Show it to tita. Apple juice. Tea?
I've never tried tea.
Ang init ng panahon. Ako na talaga ang tea. How are you going, Billy?
Okay, just hold on.
It's too high.
It's okay.
You on?
Oh, good ate? Okay.
Can you wait?
Just hold on, okay?
Okay, I think I can push you instead.
I don't want.
Ano ang misilin? Anak! Paling-ling!
You just gotta hold on, okay? Lean down, let go.
Ate!
Hey, Lily!
Mr. Coffee, we like a need in the same
Ambot ni Malini. Picnic Point, Parklands.
So, Lily, you gotta be careful, okay?
Yeah.
I'll see you don't walk to the end.
Ayan, oh. Ate! Hi, hi, hold please. Okay, just color tingnan, oh.
Hold on, come on.
Now go on that side, please, ate. Go that side. No, no, Bob, because like it's dangerous. See, if you roll there, I'll protect you, ate.
Can I take a photo? No, 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 not there, not there. Here you go, girls.
nakarating din kami dito sa baba. Ayan, doon kami kanina sa taas, diba? Yung may mga lock. May pa-waterfall silang alam dito. Carnival Falls.
I want to go there.
Hmm?
You get to have
Yeah.
a rock.
Hold mama. Oh yeah, ate. Ay, mahaba ang locks ka na. Nice. To take photo here. It's now 6:30 ng gabi, guys. We are out again kasi may dinner tayo sa isang Italian restaurant.
Mama. Mama, Dad said we could play with soccer.
Ayun.
I'm freezing.
Are you? You even have long sleeve na.
Crazy.
Selene! Ayan, nakapag-bihis ulit ng mga kaunday.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness, it is raining. Okay, let's go run.
Freezing.
Kami na ang basang-basa. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one lang. Up. Okay. Oh. Oh my goodness. Is this the one, Bob? Is the entrance there? Oh my goodness.
Is that real?
Oh? I don't think so, Baba. We probably could go in there, Bob, yeah? From the inside? Oh, nice. It's so...
You needed a bit of cooling down.
Nini, are you okay, Baba? Pizza.
It's gonna be inside. You wanna come with me?
So guys,
Ano, bigo pala dali. Mickey Mouse margarita pizza. Mickey
Wala,
Mouse
Mickey Mouse
ham and
pepperoni.
pineapple.
what up, Mickey Mouse pepperoni and cheese?
Okay. Pepperoni cheese, Mickey Mouse.
And what about Leni?
Pepperoni.
You want pepperoni too?
No, Bob, they can share margarita and pepperoni so they can both share.
Pepperoni pizza. Pepperoni pizza.
Okay. Can we not keep doing that? Yep, please. Girls. Thank you.
Carbonara yung in-order ko.
Ah,
Yeah.
what there's one.
Then, Daddy ordered scallopini. What's this one?
Real scallopini.
It's coming, Baba, because they're making it now. Look at that. See, they're making it there.
Awesome,
Thank you. Oh, wow. Look at that. Cute.
It looks like a mouse.
One's pepperoni,
Mickey Mouse.
one's pepperoni, one's cheese.
I'll eat cheese.
You can
This
share.
cheese and this pepperoni. Must be very hot.
What? pasta. Al dente. You know what that means? That means like, in Italian, al dente means that it's cooked like. Italian style of pasta is not overcooked, so it's still it's cooked, but it's not soggy. It's like a little bit crunch almost.
It's one hungry baby.
What?
Oh, that's nice lang.